Say vanilla. And what is it? Rainbow candy. And these are. Make a sentence. I need flour, milk, and eggs. Okay. Also, we need a scale. What do you say? Good job. And what do you bring today? The guavas. Nice job. Any certain fruits do you bring today? Nice job. And what do you bring today?
I bring apple.
That you like on the pancake first. Anyone want chocolate?
Yes.
Okay, who want chocolate? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many eggs do we need? We need 3 eggs. It's this one. Okay, so we need 300 grams of flour. That's right. So step 1, pour it in the flour. Go. 1 A little bit. Wow, a little bit. Okay, let's. And next step, we need to say turn on the fire.
Turn on the fire.
Okay, so give it to you.
Looks like
Egg roll.
egg pancake.
我先觉得不要吃。
This one looks better, right?